here we go, day one. We're going to make this into a house somehow. Front door, utility room there somewhere. Kitchen will be in there. That will be the lounge. Hallway here somewhere. Dining room on the back. Or bedroom. Bedroom there. Bathroom there. Bedroom there. And then full light hallway. Mess floor at the top. Ensuite, dressing room, landing, bedroom up that end.
So it's day 2, diggers arrived. We brought the Yorkshire weather with us. It's the first frost they've had for ages, so it's typical. Lads on site ready for day 2. Digging, I think, today. Day 3 and starting to dig for the underpin. It's all marked up. Absolutely raining. At least the lads are inside. Getting this bit done. So day 4. Hoping to find some Roman coins as you dig this up, but we found a sheet of tin instead. Cold, but no snow. So on day 5, look, big hole. So they'll dig the other hole out today and then wait for building regs to come and check that it's deep enough, and then they'll fill that in and then they'll start on the rest. So yeah, I think hard to believe that's going to be a bedroom that here. Tin's still there, no coins. So on day 6, and all of this has come out of 2 holes. We've got, well, they've got 20 of them to dig and then fill. Riley having his morning stroll. Day 7, and they are fixing the crack in the wall. That'll be knitted together. Building regs have been out and they're happy with the first 3 holes.
Day 8 of the build. Extra men here today. 2 brickies. See what's going on. Underpinning still underway. Three holes dug, 30 to go. Mixers on. Two bits of concrete in. Stitching being done, and internal foundation.
So we're on day 9, making a leg day for lads. They started to dig these foundations yesterday. Crack is getting a bit bigger. That will be knitted and that will be clad, so we won't see that brickwork. And then they've started to dig the internal foundations. Day 9, early start. Bricks are being delivered, and I think they're gonna finish off the crack in the wall today, which will be good, and then carry on digging the 30 holes.